In this video, we'll be discussing aftermarket, breakout and momentum queries. Now let's click on aftermarket on a TradeClue dashboard and select breakout and momentum. So these two strategies will help me out to track those breakout trades which have gone into consolidation. So the format to buy or sell these particular stocks will be as soon as the prices breach above red box or breach down below the green box, it will help me to take out a breakout trade. As we all know that red box stands for good selling zone. Similar ways, green box stands for good buying zone. So we'll try to go through some few stocks from this particular scanner, and this scanner will be available to you a day prior before the market hours. So you are pretty much ready with your couple of stocks under your consolidation breakout theory. So these two queries will be pretty much important to trade your breakout stocks on an intraday basis. So now let's check few stocks under this query. Ultrasimpo was the first stock where the price is opened above the DR and straight away it comes and goes below the green box. So as soon as the green boxes were taken out, the prices fell one way down. Since the fall was too fast, we also need to be sure that the risk management is quite in place. So we'll try to check those stocks which have a good risk management in them, that is the stop losses are small and the entry is pretty much near to your green box zone. Now let's check Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, if I want to see that after WS and DS, that is weekly support and daily support and the max put OI, there is no TradeClue level on the downside to save its downfall. Now let's check whether there was a green box present adjacently. Now you can see that the green box is available over here. Even if I mark a particular level, that is 1096.85, that is below the green box, I know that once this green box is taken down on the downside, the prices will go one way on the downside. As you can see, once the spike came and then a proper swing pattern was made and then a breakdown started happening. So my stop losses in this case will be only above this particular TradeClue levels, that is above the green box or either above the DS or WS level. Same ways I need to take my trades as soon as the price crosses or makes a new low. Plus this red dots gave me more confirmation that there was good amount of selling pressure and then a fall happened very much quickly. So let's check more stocks on the buy side. We have selected RBL Bank, where you can see there was a sideways momentum which was happening prior to the current day. The prices opened one way on the upper side, DR and red band was taken out. Red band, as you know, that it is good amount of selling zone present over here. As soon as the sellers were trapped, that is the prices started sustaining above the red zone. So I need to just mark a box over it. So I need a proper consolidation above it so that I can plan out a good range breakout trade. Once the prices goes above this range breakout zone, that is 163 zone, I can keep my stop loss, a small stop loss of 1 rupees or so below the red band, and you can enjoy the journey. Why the prices have moved directly from DR to MR, that is the monthly resistance, because there was no TradeClue levels to restrict its upflow. So likewise, I will be getting the best breakout trades in this particular two scanners before the market opens and your get set go for the next trading day. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected for such updates.